Is your external component the Dsdcc module DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish DSD, Direct Stream Digital, Codec links. Access the official Dsdcc module diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Dsdcc module, frequently associated with specialized digital signal processing, DSP, hardware, or localized direct stream digital audio drivers. It manages the localized data link for high-fidelity audio interfaces. Missing versions result in hardware not detected or module failed to load errors in professional audio software. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Because Dsdcc module DLL is tied to the DSD, Direct Stream Digital, codec runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Dsdcc module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Installing an unverified version of Dsdcc module DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Dsdcc module. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Dsdcc module today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.